want to thank everybody for being here. I'm Gary Niles, and I'm the Chief Juvenile Court Officer in the 3rd Judicial District. I first of all want to thank Woodbury County for letting us have this very nice event in such a grand house. I think when people come in here, they're always in awe of what our forefathers were able to do, and what people have been willing to invest in to keep such a great treasure. This courthouse is awesome. It's an anchor and a pillar in our community, and I want to thank the Board of Supervisors for letting us be here this morning. Jackie Smith is here representing the Board of Supervisors. Jackie, there you go. Well, you know, in 1997, a group of folks got together and started talking about trying to establish a drug court in Woodbury County. And as with most dreams, I thought that had maybe a 10% chance of going and actually being deployed. And here we are, 13, almost 14 years later, over 1,000 people that have graduated from the drug court and have been helped by this process. And I wanted to acknowledge a few of the dreamers that were at the table at the time. Lisa McNeil is probably the chief dreamer. She is the district court administrator, and all Lisa said during the whole process was, yes, 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 we can make this happen. So if we could have a round of applause for Lisa. The other principal parties were Judge John Ackerman. I'm sure he's here somewhere in the building hearing a case. But Judge Ackerman was exactly the same. There was never a no. It was always, yes, we can do this, we can make this happen. Steve Middleton from the Department of Corrections. I saw Steve earlier. There he is. Steve, who is at the table, great partner. Steve and I went to high school together. I don't know why he looks smarter than me, but that's the way it came out. So, but Steve, thanks for the partnership that we've enjoyed throughout this whole process. So, and as everybody knows that's here, I hope, the drug court that we established was probably the most unique one in the United States. As we call citizens to sit as community judges to help craft plans for people that were struggling with addiction. And again, I thought in the back of my mind, there's about a 10% chance that this will work. And again, I'm just amazed at what we've been able to do with basically a very, very small budget. That's really worked. You know, a lot of people say, why drug court? Or why mental health courts? You know, it costs about $7,900 to fully put somebody through drug court today. But the cost to place somebody at Eldora, which is a state training school for boys, is about $95,000. Toledo, which is a state training school for girls, is about $115,000 a year. So group care is about $50,000 to $60,000. So it's a great trade-off for everybody. People, they have greater lengths of sobriety going through drug court, and we have a much cheaper system and a much better system keeping folks in the community rather than sending folks away. So it's been a great system. You guys really didn't come to hear me talk today, I'm sure. I can take that disappointment. So I want to turn the mic over to Will, and we just want to hear a couple of testimonies from folks that have been helped by drug court. Then Dr. Vick's going to talk for just a couple minutes, and we do have some refreshments. So thanks for coming and celebrating with us. I see the Sheriff's Department here. They've been an awesome partner with us the whole time. They've really went to bat. They've been at the table the whole time, and all of our partners have been great. So if I've left somebody out,